Ever feel like you're stuck in moving a mountain one tiny pebble at a time in your business? What if I told you that shovel you need is actually you, especially your ego? Hey everyone, JT here. So glad you're tuning in. We talk a lot about making that dollar faster and better for your business, but sometimes the biggest thing standing in the way of making that dollar isn't an external problem. It's the dude or the dad staring back at you in the mirror. Yep, and I'm talking about ego, baby. So, especially when it comes to delegation, man, that's a tough one, right? Because deep down, to truly delegate effectively, you have to embrace that wild idea. Someone else might actually be better than you at something you've been doing. Ugh. I know, right? Shocking. But seriously, getting over that ego hump, it's probably the single hardest part of smart delegation. And trust me, I've lived it. When I first started my own accounting firm, my biggest bottleneck was me. I wanted to control everything. I thought I had it all together. I wear all the hats because, well, no one can do it like me, right? Sounds familiar? But I quickly realized something crucial. I couldn't scale this thing if I didn't let go. It was physically impossible to grow. Fast forward 10 years, and now I'm supervising 12 awesome employees and 3 business partners. That didn't happen by me clinging to every single task. It happened by getting over myself. So, how do you actually do this without feeling like you're losing control? Or, heaven forbid, admitting someone else has a superpower that you don't? Here are 4 things that really help me, and I think they'll help you too. Start small, like really small. Don't try to hand off the entire client list just day one. That's a recipe for a panic attack. Yours and the disasters, for your business. Pick one tiny, repeatable task. Maybe it's scheduling social media posts, organizing your inbox, or handling initial client intake forms. Sometimes low stakes, can get you comfortable with that first win. Then they build from there. It's like learning to walk before you try to run a marathon. Okay? Then second, provide crystal clear instructions. Seriously, spell it out. This is where a lot of delegation falls apart. We assume people can read our minds and that they will just get it. Nope, they won't. You've been doing this task for ages. It's second nature to you. For someone new, it's a blank slate. Document the process. Use bullet points. Record a quick video. Pretending you're explaining it to a slightly confused grandpa. No offense, grandpa. The clearer you are up front, the less time you'll be spending fixing mistakes later. And trust me, future you will thank you. And then third, build that trust. It's a two-way street. Delegation isn't just about handing off tasks. It's about building a relationship. You need to trust them to do the job, and they need to trust that you will support them and not swoop in and fix things without a conversation. Give them autonomy. Let them make small mistakes. They're learning. Show them you believe in their ability to handle it. When they feel trusted, they will step up even more. It's like when you finally let your kid drive the truck. Terrifying, but necessary for their growth and your sanity. And then fourth, establish a feedback loop. Make it a habit. It isn't about micromanaging. It's about continuous improvement. Schedule quick check-ins. Ask them what challenges they face. Share your observation constructively. The goal is to refine the process and help them grow, not just critique their work. Hey, on that last task, what was the trickiest part for you? Oh, I noticed if we adjusted X, you might save you Y minutes next time. This feedback helps them get better, makes the process smoother, and ultimately frees up even more of your valuable time. Look, delegation isn't a journey, it's a destination. It's messy at first, but by starting small, being super clear, building trust, and creating a feedback loop, you will start chipping away that ego barrier. You'll realize that freeing yourself up, from the day-to-day grunt work isn't a sign of weakness. It's the smartest move you can actually make to grow your business and to make that dollar better and faster. Okay, so here's a challenge for you. What's one specific task in your business that if you truly delegate this week will make you feel like a little uncomfortable in a good way, but would free up significant time for growth? Go on, put it out there.